Today we're just going to make some cute little floral arrangements that's with Martini glasses that I want to put together and show you how you can cut and put your own gathering of your flowers and decorate little Martini glasses. So if this is something that you would be interested in, just keep watching. These were actually a bundle of flowers. This was a bunch of flowers that I literally just cut them short off the stem. And what you want to do is that you want to start with your stems is for it to be evenly cut to where you can bundle the bunches up like this. Some that I had put together here, flowers, and just put them all together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it. You do want to wrap the bottoms. Then you just get it and you just wrap it. You just and this is just a simple and easy and flowers. If you want to make it a bigger one, you can. These are the Martini glasses. So I have one of each. We're going to make two. So I'm just going to set the roses aside. What we have so far. Okay, these are the Martini glasses. And this is just your regular glass that you can use. And you don't have to have any design or anything on it because they just sell the straight Martini glasses too. You can make them as big as you want. And this could be a part of your centerpiece on your tables. So what I'm going to do is put this here, and I'm just going to place it right here. You can decorate it up or just leave it. You don't have to put decorations on it as well. You can just leave it the way it is if you don't choose to do that. And this saves money from putting so much money into, I know it's expensive for weddings sometimes, but you can have weddings that is not that expensive when it comes to your decorations. You can get away with decorating and save on a lot of money. So yeah. And instead of me having it like this here, if you can see here, I didn't put it like directly on here. I only put the top of the brooch on here so that it can have an even level because of the way that it is. Okay, with this particular one, so this is this one. With this particular, and these can be very cheap, and it can come very inexpensive because you can get these from the Dollar Tree and just do it all glass, and you can decorate also your glass. If you want to glitz it, you can. If you want to just leave it plain, like I said, and just put a beautiful brooch on there, you can. And this is how you would just place your brooch there to where it's leveling straight. Okay, that's that one. And now for this one here, this one, of course, it already came with the glitz and the gleam, but you can make this one is just as glitzy as this. Okay, and with this here, I'm going to put a brooch up here because this, I don't want to take away from anything here. So I'm going to put this here. Now remember, if you do decide to want to just find something that you just want to do a home decor and you want to just decorate, and this is not just for wedding purposes or any occasion, but just for a home decor or a gift for someone to be able to have it, then what you can do is I would advise you to do permanent glue on here. something like an epoxy, and you never have to worry about it coming off. So with this one here, okay, I'm going to make this a little more sturdier so you can put more of your, it's not going anywhere, it's on here. But you can even make this more sturdier than that, to where we can put the glue from underneath. So this can get, but this is not going anywhere. This is it's on here. But you can do it where do it from underneath. It would not move. It's going to this one. Okay. So now we have the 2 Martini glasses. See how pretty that look? And that's beautiful without even anything in there. Now, I'm going to take these stems down a little bit shorter. Put your beads in there, your crystal, your water crystals, or you could just put just diamonds too in there. That's another easy way you can do it. So this is 1, and now we're going to do